welcome, the best people in our store. Come with them next time.
Today we're diving headfirst into one of Switzerland's most delicious destinations, the Lindt Chocolate Museum. They say Swiss chocolate is the gold standard, and Lindt is the name that made that reputation global. We've arrived at the Lindt Home of Chocolate, a place that's more than just a museum. It's a shrine to Swiss indulgence, a temple of taste for those with a sweet tooth. We want to see if it lives up to the hype. The first thing you notice, the towering chocolate fountain. At nearly 30 feet tall, it holds over 3,000 pounds of real chocolate. It really is the world's most impressive chocolate fountain. This interactive exhibit shows you exactly how cocoa beans make their long journey from tropical plantations to your taste buds. Swiss chocolate wasn't always the global phenomenon it is today. It was a handful of pioneers who pushed boundaries. Like Rodolphe Lindt. In 1879, Lindt developed the conching technique, revolutionizing the texture of chocolate forever. The result? A smooth, melt-in-your-mouth confection that left gritty, bitter bars of the past behind. Lindt's meticulous approach to grinding, conching, and tempering is what gives their chocolate that signature creaminess. It's a process honed by Swiss chocolatiers since the 19th century and perfected over decades. There's a surprising amount of craftsmanship, sort of like rolling sushi or kneading bread dough. Every stage is an art form. And now we come to the part of the museum that everyone's been waiting for, the tasting. Sweet God, that's good. I want to bathe in that. If you've ever dreamed of a world where rivers flow with cocoa, where the sun rises and sets on chocolate bars, this is it. Holy cow, that's good. It's fresh, straight from the chocolate cow. This is my favorite game. Every time you play, you win. This is the best tour I've ever done in my entire life. So in this part of the Lindt Chocolate Tour, you get to take interactive pictures, and maybe better yet, you get to take each flavor of Lindt chocolate, add to your collection, or eat it along the way. So this very well may be my favorite tour I've ever done, and I've done a lot of tours, but what other tours do you get chocolate? Do you get sweet goodness? You're rewarded simply for coming here. This is like chocolate overload. I am ready to just dive right in, and I think they're gonna kick me out when I do, so, you know. Oh well, it's a risk I'm gonna take. Visiting the Lindt Chocolate Museum here in Zurich isn't just about filling your belly with premium Swiss chocolate, though there's plenty of that. It's a journey through history, a lesson in craftsmanship, and, above all, a celebration of an art form that continues to evolve. I've been around the world, tasted countless dishes, but few things unite people like chocolate. It transcends borders, language barriers, and even diets. Here in Switzerland, they don't just make chocolate, they elevate it to something sacred. Could there be a chocolate that adapts to my personal wishes? The day a chocolate adapts to my personal wishes, that's gonna be a hell of a day. There it is. These guys right here, these unnamed heroes behind this class, these are the real MVPs. These are the guys I want to be friends with, I want to know on a personal level. Not all heroes wear capes. Sometimes they make chocolate.